Ain't gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? Then I spent it 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Back at it again like we always do. So the clips inside of the trim piece, my rear quarter panel, y'all, and a lot of these reels that I've been doing, you'll notice that it's kind of hanging. It was hanging, but got that. So got that fully secured on this side, lined up and everything like it needs to be. So that's all in. I'm working on the passenger side right now. It has like little clips and little screw holes and stuff in them. So, like I said, this side I still have to line up and do everything. Gotta get the there's 4 screw types, and then there's there's 4 screw types in the back. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Push types up front. And I also got the door panels as well, the little molding pieces. So next time I'm working on those right now, trying to get those all in and situated, you know. So these are the ones I'm talking about right here. Your screw types, and you got your push types. So I got all my stuff on Classic Industry. The rear quarter panel molding. Then I got the doors as well. The door. Then the rear bumper stuff. I realized I made a mistake when I ordered the rear panel. I guess this is supposed to go over this little rusty piece right here. So it's no surprise what I'm about to do. So can't be no rusty parts in this car whatsoever. No, I'm not doing that. So I gotta bust this because it's rusted through down there. Replace it with that. Take that off. Go take it to a while. Had them do their little touches. I don't know if I'm gonna do gold or I'm gonna do a purple. So that's the part I'm kind of stuck on. I might just tell them just go black with it. Because it's gonna be hidden by that little piece anyway. So who knows what I might do. By the time I get there, I might change my mind. I might even flake this thing out. Y'all seen a lot of my videos on the Duramax. When I see a little glitter, I might do that. Because it'd be a mix of everything into one. So who knows. Especially when the back is off, and that's how you see that little thing flaking on there. Look how she's flaking. So imagine looking down, you see that. Who knows what I might do. I might even see if he has a powder coat that's that color. So anyway, I'm going to get this thing popped on here because LJ is waiting for me. He wants to do the audio thing because my audio stuff coming up for the Impala next as well. So I'm going to get these pieces on and I'll show y'all. So it's Sunday, 2 days after. Well, 2 days now I've been working on this thing. The day I was working on the side moldings, so the passenger side door molding got me. So it's kind of very deep. I was there looking to my hand. I was like, it's time to go to the ER. So anyway, both moldings are on now. The sun, but I gotta have Miss Bay look at the that side clip right there. They're not clipping in on the door for some reason. I got the rear quarters did perfect, but the doors for some reason they're not cooperating. So either I need new ones or I don't know, something out the shape. Right now I'm working on the rear bumpers, got them separated. All these rusty bumper, all the rusty bolts and stuff. Had to fight. Had to use my neighbor's sets impact. Big Milwaukee, the big boy. I need to stop playing it by myself one. But yeah, I'm breaking all that part because this has a hole in it and it was dented. So, hole down there. I got the new one. It's over here. So it's all ready. I'm gonna take this, get it powder coated. It's all rusty. Man, I've been dreaming on having a car like this for years. Since I was little. I always wanted to candy paint it. Impala. So I also wanted a Donk when I was younger, but I also wanted a lowrider. So eventually I'm gonna have both of them. But you're gonna do it, if it's a dream, you do it right. You don't cut corners, you make sure things are proper and needs to be done what needs to be done. So everything on that car is pretty much powder coated. That's getting powder coated because this little piece right here sits on it, and granted you may not be able to see it, but at the same time, like, why not just go ahead and do it while you have it at this stage? Why cut a corner that don't need to be cut? All it's gonna happen is gonna continue rusting, and it's gonna be falling apart. Trying to have because eventually I want my daughter to be able to have. Eventually I want her to be able to enjoy this beautiful thing. Because technically I'm building it, so can I say? But yeah. So we're at now. And yeah. We continue putting these pieces on, all the little trim pieces and stuff. Gaskets in, so I'm gonna end up putting that on next. The rear. And continue working with it. So I'll jump off the video and bolt this little side piece up. Now we got the back side painted, the side pieces on. So paint the back side, keep the rust from coming through. So like I said, while you're in here, might as well get it all knocked out. Take this thing off. There we go. Just gotta polish it out. It's a rear bumper all together now. So that part is complete. Trying to set this back over on that wall over there. And then yeah. Start on next things. So the next piece is on right now. So we got the back piece. So that's on. Tail lights are on. I just need to get the nuts. I just gotta take a little trip real quick. Get the nuts. And then these will be fully in. So they're on now. I need to figure out the wiring. For some reason my lights aren't all coming on. So I don't know what's up with that. So I need to figure that out. But rear panel's on. Top and bottom. So yeah. I see little capsule nuts for the back side of the trim. And just like that, we're back and they're on. I just gotta get some more little nuts for two sides, but she's on there now. I gotta get it for that top piece too. The top piece is still loose, but it's tight on the side, so it's gotta get that in. Yeah, it's coming along. Got the SS fish scales on the back. Got the fish scales. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. It's been dragging on for a few days now, so as always, keep it macking. Peace.
Hey, how much you got on you?
I wanna fuck me
Hey,
now.
how much you got on you?
She say I'm hot.
Hey, how much you got